Steam rises in a quiet room. Morning light, a steady tune. One small cup between my hands, like a pause before I plan. No rush now, no racing thoughts, just lining up what can't be done. The noise fades, the mind feels slow. Focus finds its way to grow.
I don't need to do it fast, I just need to do it right. One cup of coffee, calm and clear, brings my focus gently here. When I'm present, when I stay, hard things find an easier way. Step by step I start to see what felt heavy loosens me. With a steady mind and time, even mountains start to climb. Progress grows when focus stays.
No magic trick, no sudden spark, just quiet work inside the dark. When the mind is fully here, the path ahead becomes sincere. Focus is a simple thing,
not control but listening.
When I'm here with what I do, the work feels lighter too.
One cup of coffee, steady breath, 'cause the noise ignores the rest. When I focus slow and deep, difficult things start to sleep. Not because they disappear, but because my mind is clear. With attention, calm and time, everything falls into line.
When the world feels loud and fast, I return to this small task. One cup warm, one moment true. Focus carries me right through. You're the quiet light above my nights, always there, never in my sight.
I move below, you circle slow, to pass only gravity knows.
We're close enough to feel the pull, but distance keeps the rule. Like the moon around the earth, I stay near, but never first. We turn in time, we never stray, but never meet along the way. So close it hurts, so far it seems, like you and me in gentle dreams.
Same old sky, familiar view, different worlds we're passing through.
No collision, no goodbye, just silent nights going by.
I don't chase, you don't fall, we just answer when night calls.
Like the moon around the earth, bound by love we never learned. We share the dark, we share the blue, but there's nothing we can do. I keep my place, you keep your light. We circle on, night after night.
Maybe some things aren't meant to land, just meant to glow, just meant to stand in perfect lines we can't undo. I find my calm still thinking of you.
Like the moon and more. I'll stay here where I've always been, loving you without moving in. If this is how our story stays, I'll orbit you in quiet ways. Same old sky, familiar tune. Good night, my distant moon. I stand fine on my own. You do too, I've always known. No hands tied, no lines crossed. No one here is owned or lost. Nothing forced, nothing due, just how we choose to move. But I don't need you, you don't need me. That's how respect stays free. If we're kind, if we're fair, we can walk as friends who care. If not, we don't pretend. We're just strangers in the end. No blame written in goodbye. No wrong when passed on the line. We meet where honesty stays, or we quietly part ways. No hard feelings left behind, just peace of mind. I don't need you to feel whole, you don't fill my empty role. But if warmth is how we meet, then friendship feels complete. If kindness doesn't remain, we release without complaint. Not every bond must last, some are meant to gently pass. Freedom grows when truth is said. Nothing old, nothing left. I don't need you, you don't need me. That's the cleanest way to be. If respect is what we choose, there's a lot that we can do. If not, we bow and leave. No chains, no grief. Clear hearts, open space. That's great. Late nights, early days, books and screens, familiar place. No shortcuts, no disguise, just patience growing over time. I don't need to be the best today, I just need to improve my way. Every lesson, every try is a brick of what I build inside. I choose effort over doubt. I trust what learning is about. I'll learn to win, I let it stay. Focus when the road feels great. Not for praise, not for fame, but for the future I'm creating. I learn to win, I learn to grow. One clear goal, one steady flow. Day by day, skill by skill, I'm shaping strength, I'm shaping will. Mistakes teach me what works best. Failure helps me pass the test. Every answer that I see starts a curiosity. I show up even when it's hard, when progress feels slow and small. Knowledge turns to quiet power if I stay consistent through it all. Success isn't overnight, it's built in silence, built in time. While others sleep, I learn and try. Planting seeds I'll harvest later on. somebody who I become. That's how real success is won.
Slow progress, steady mind. The finish line will come in time.
I learn,
I grow,
I learn,
I learn.
again and again. Walking through another ordinary day, people passing by all in their own way. I don't know your story, you don't know mine, but for a moment our eyes align.
It doesn't cost a thing to care. A little light is everywhere. I feel happier when I smile at you, even if it's just for a second or two. No words needed, nothing to prove. My heart feels lighter when I smile at you.
Maybe your day feels warmer too.
That's enough for me to do.
Some days are heavy, I understand.
Life gets quiet, hard to stand, but a simple smile can gently say you're not alone today. It's a small thing, but it's true. Kindness travels further than we knew. I feel happier when I smile at you. Like sunlight breaking through the blue. No big reasons, no perfect view, just being human, me and you. If my smile reaches your heart somehow, I'm already happy now. I don't need the world to change, I just start close. I start small, one soft smile, one open face.
Maybe that's how we heal it all.
I feel happier when I smile at you.
And you smile back like people do.
In this moment, simple and true.
Simple and true.
Happiness feels real and new. If love begins with what we choose, I choose to smile at you. So I'll keep smiling, passing through, because it always comes back to
You're the quiet light above my nights, always there, never in my sight. I move below, you circle slow. Two paths only gravity knows.
we're close enough to feel the pull, but distance keeps the rule.
Like the moon around the earth, I stay near but never first. We turn in time, we never stray, but never meet like the moon around the earth. I don't ask for something more. I stay here where I've always been, loving you without moving in. If this is how our story stays, I'll orbit you in quiet ways. Same old sky, familiar tune. Good night, my distant moon.
I carry weight I cannot say, thoughts too heavy for the day. But when I breathe and start to sing, something inside loosens its string. No perfect notes, no right or wrong, just letting out what's been too long. When you lift your voice, you feel it too. The world feels lighter coming through. Every breath takes pain away. Every note helps me stay. I sing it out, I let it fly. Sadness fades as time goes by. I love this sound, I love this way. I love music, you do the same. In the room or on the street, alone or with a simple beat, no one needs to understand. This song just holds my hand. It's not loud, it's not for show. It's just the heart learning to glow. When I sing, I start to heal. I remember how to feel. Breathing deep, I'm not afraid. All the sorrow starts to fade. Every song is proof to me I'm still here, I'm still free. Music doesn't ask me why, it just stays right by my side. Through the dark and through the blue, it knows exactly what to do. So sing it out, don't hold it in. Let the light come from within. No matter where or who you are, your voice can carry you far. I love the way this feeling stays. I love music in every way. One breath, one song, and I'm moving on. One breath, one song, and I'm moving Morning light on an empty street. Coffee's warm, but you're not here with me.
Different skies, different times, but I still hear you laughing mine. We said goodbye without knowing when, but some bonds don't need an end.
Wherever you are, I hope you're fine. Living your dreams, taking your time.
Even if miles keep us apart, I remember you inside my heart. Yeah, wherever you go, whatever you do, a part of my day still feels like you. Little things remind me still. Late night talks, quiet thrills. No big promises, no loud goodbyes, just honest days passing by.
Life moves on.
The seasons change, but some names always stay the same.
Wherever you are, I hope you're fine. Smiling softly under new skies. Even if miles keep us apart, I'll remember you inside my heart.
No matter how far, no matter how long, your memory plays like a favorite song.
Maybe some
Same moon, different nights.
Yeah. Night feels long when hope is thin. Questions echo deep within. But even stars you cannot see still burn quietly. Hold on through the darkest part. Morning starts inside the heart. The sunlight always comes after night, just like peace comes after the fight. Every tear, every fall doesn't mean the end at all. If you still believe somehow, tomorrow brings the light. Somehow.
Pain can cloud the open sky, make it hard to lift your eyes. But dawn has never missed a day, it just arrives its own way.
Trust the time, trust the flow. Even slow is still a goal.
The sunlight waits beyond the dark, hope still leaves a quiet mark. What feels broken, worn or done, still can shine like rising sun.
Keep the faith, don't lose the flame. Morning always knows your name.
You don't need to see it yet, just believing is a step. Light is patient, light is kind, it finds its way in time.
The sunlight comes, it always will. After storms, after still. If tonight feels cold and long, you're closer to where you belong. As long as you believe and stay, tomorrow brings a brighter day. Yeah. Rest now, breathe, and let it be. The light is on its way to you. You were born with a quiet spark. Heaven beeps still in the dark. Not a race, not a test, just a path you haven't guessed.
You don't need to know it all, just be brave enough to walk.
Everyone is something rare, something only they can wear. If you haven't seen it yet, but doesn't mean it isn't there.
Go explore, go make mistakes.
Try the road you're scared to take.
Somewhere in the moving through, we'll find what's special in you.
Not every step will feel right. Some days you'll doubt your light, but even wrong turns show what your heart needs to know.
Every try leaves a trace, leading you to your own place.
You don't have to shine today, just unlock your dreams away. The world opens when you move, when you dare to choose and choose. Go and live,
Don't wait to see
your value grows.
in bravery. Great things aren't found by standing still, they show up when you chase your will.
Trust the journey
Trust the sound
of your feet on
changing crowd.
Everyone is born to be more than what they first can see. If you search with honest eyes, your reason slowly will arise.
Keep going, even if you're unsure.
The
Best in you is still pure. I've gone. You're closer than you think. dream. Quiet streets, a steady pace. Another day, a simple place. A list of tasks, not too much. Keyboard sound, a human touch. Nothing fancy, nothing grand. Just honest work with steady hands. I take a sip, I start again. Grateful for the work I'm in. Coffee on my desk, time to try a peaceful mind. A reason why it feels so good to have somewhere to be. Something real depending on me. No rush, no race, no heavy crown. Just showing up day by day now. Coffee warm, my heart is calm. Happy just to work alone.
Emails come and numbers run. Hours pass, the work gets done. Some days hard, some days light. Still I'm thankful every night.
Not every dream is loud or bright. Some just feel quietly right. A job to do, a place to grow. That's more than enough, I know.
I don't need a perfect view.
Just a purpose I can hold to.
Through routine,
Through small things,
I find joy in what work brings.
coffee on my desk, hands in flow. Learning things I didn't know. Step by step I'm building me. In simple work there's dignity. No spotlight, no golden sign. Just effort, time and peace of mind. Coffee warm, the day moves on. I'm grateful just to keep going on. Last sip cold, the screen goes dim. I did my best.
And that's a win.
Tomorrow waits, calm and kind. Coffee, work, and peace of mind. Some days start heavy, some nights feel long. Plans fall apart, but I still move on. No perfect road, no perfect time. Just doing my best, one step at a time. The world keeps asking, are you strong? I don't always know, but I go on. I bend, I learn, I don't break down. I keep my feet on solid ground. I don't need everything to be okay. I just need to show up today. So I keep going anyway. Even when it's hard to stay. Even when the light feels far away. I keep going anyway. No loud victory, no big display. Just quiet effort day by day. Through every night and every gray. I keep going anyway. Some dreams change shape along the way. Some doors close, others wait. I lose a little, I gain insight. Still learning how to live this life. I carry hope in simple things. A calm breath, a steady swing. Not chasing fast, not standing still. Just moving forward with my will. If I fall, I'll rest, not quit. Healing is part of it. Slow progress still counts. I'm stronger than my doubts. So I keep going anyway. Through the rain, through the delay. Even if tomorrow's unclear today. I keep going anyway. No need to rush, no need to prove. I grow in ways I can't yet view. Step by breathe and stay. I'll keep going anyway.
Monday to Friday, head down low, building days that slowly grow. Coffee cold, the hours fly, I keep my dreams inside.
Then the week begins to fade, something brighter calls my name.
I wait for Sunday not to rest, but to see the world at its best. New streets, new skies, a wider view. After all the work I do, I don't stop, I don't stay. Sunday helps me grow my way.
Maps unfold, curiosity, every step teaches me.
Not escape, just learning more, what all this effort's really for.
Work builds strength, that's true, but wonder keeps it new.
I wait for Sunday, doors unlock, time slows down, the world still talks. I bring my questions, open eyes, find new meaning in small sights. After grinding every day, Sunday lights a different way. Rest is good, but so is going. Seeing keeps the heart from closing.
I return with clearer ground, more than what I left I found. I love my Sundays wide and free, they give my work more meaning, see.
I explore, then I come back, stronger on my chosen track. Work all week, then I discover life is bigger than the cover.
Monday comes, I'm ready still. Sunday taught me how to feel.
Morning light on the campus ground, books and footsteps, familiar sound. Then I saw you passing by, and the world just paused its time. I know, whoa, one look, my heart skipped fast. Didn't know a moment could last. You stole my heart across the lawn, the first time that I saw you walk on. Now I'm wondering what to say, how to start in a simple way. Do I smile? Do I say your name? How do people play this game? I rehearse lines in my head, but they vanish when we've met. Every hello feels brand new, every second feels too soon.
I don't need a perfect start, just a chance to show my heart.
You stole my heart just standing there with a quiet laugh and open air. I'm not trying to be brave, just honest in the words I say. Maybe
is where our story starts. I'll take it slow.
I'll take it smart.
You stole my heart, that much is true. Now I just wanna talk to you. No big plans, no disguise, just curious and open eyes. If I find the nerve somehow, I'll say hello right now. Across the campus, hearts align. One small step, one perfect time. Winter days feel long and slow. Cold streets wrapped in silver glow. But every morning feels alright, knowing we're walking side by side.
Hands on cups, plans in mind, sharing time we never rush. Winter feels warmer when we're here, working through the quiet hours, laughing softly, making space, turning effort into power. Through the cold, through changing days, we keep each other warm this way.
Different dreams, the same routine. Small talks in between the scenes. When work gets heavy, hope feels thin. Someone's always pulling in. No one has to carry it alone. This is how we make it home. Winter feels warmer when we're here, side by side in calm belief. In shared silence, shared advice, we find strength we couldn't reach. Not just working, not just trying, living life, aligning. It's not about the weather outside,
It's the people who decide
what feels heavy, what feels light.
who stays with you late at night. Winter feels warmer when we're here, building days we're proud to keep.
Through the work and through the life,
We grow steady, deep and kind. If the world turns cold and gray, we warm it just by staying.
snow may fall,
The night may stay. Together makes the cold feel far away.
Walking through another ordinary day. People passing by all in their own way. I don't know your story, you don't know mine. But for a moment, our eyes align.
It doesn't cost a thing to care. A little light is everywhere. I feel happier when I smile at you, even if it's just for a second or two. No words needed, nothing to prove. My heart feels lighter when I smile at you.
Maybe your day feels warmer too.
That's enough for me to do. travels further than we knew. I feel happier when I smile at you. Like sunlight breaking through the blue. No big reasons, no perfect view, just being human, me and you. If my smile reaches your heart somehow, I'm already happy now. I don't need the world to change, I just start close, I start small. One soft smile, one open face.
Maybe that's how we heal it all.
I feel happier when I smile at you.
And you smile back like people do.
In this moment, simple and true.
Simple and true.
Happiness feels real and new. If love begins with what we choose, I choose to smile at you. So I'll keep smiling, passing through, because it always comes back to
Morning light through a busy room. Dreams don't wait, neither should you. Every page, every quiet hour, turn small effort into power. Fun will come, it's not denied, but today you choose the climb.
You're still young, this is the time. Learn the craft, sharpen the mind. While others drift, you stay strong, building days that last long. Not every night is meant to play. You're planting seeds for a brighter day.
Books, late, work, coffee cold. No applause, but you still hold.
Vision clear, the steps slow. This is how foundations grow.
No shortcut, no disguise. Patience pays a better price.
You're still young, don't trade it cheap. What you build is yours to keep. Work today, freedom later. Discipline makes life greater. The road is tough, but so are you. And the future's watching what you do. It's not missing out, it's choosing right. Turning effort into life.
When the noise fades, you'll understand why you stayed and took a stand.
You're still young, stay the course, focus sharp, steady force. While the world runs fast and loud, you're becoming strong and proud. Play will come when work is done. Right now, build it while you're young. Quiet grind, clear direction. This is self-respect in motion.
You're the quiet light above my nights. Always there, never in my sight. I move below, you circle slow. Two paths only gravity knows.
We're close enough to feel the pull, but distance keeps the rule.
Like the moon around the earth, I stay near but never first. We turn
same old sky.
Familiar view, different worlds we're passing through.
No collision, no goodbye, just silent nights going by. I don't chase, you don't fall, we just answer when night calls. Like the moon around the earth, bound by love we never learn. We share the dark, we share the blue, but there's nothing we can do. I keep my place, you keep your light. We circle on night after night. Maybe some things are meant to land, just meant to glow,
Just meant to stand in perfect lines we can't undo. I find my calm still thinking of you.
like the moon around the earth. I don't ask for something more.
I stay here where I've always been, loving you without moving in. If this is how our story stays, I'll orbit you in quiet ways. Same old sky, familiar tune. Good night, my distant moon.
Golden hour on the sand, cold drink sweating in our hands. Music low, the sky turns slow. Nothing else we need to know. No clocks, no plans tonight, just friends and ocean light. This beachside party feels like medicine. Every laugh lets the healing in. Salt in the air, worries gone. We don't need much to carry on. With good friends and an open sea, this is the cure we choose to be. Oh, 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 oh. Barefoot dancing, easy smiles, letting go in simple styles. Stories flow with the tide, peace comes in, stress says goodbye. The waves keep time for us. In this moment, that's enough. This beachside party heals us slow, like a song nobody knows. Under stars or fading sun, we remember how to have fun. No fixing, no remedy, just being here is therapy. We don't chase the perfect scene, it's perfect just the way it's been. Time feels kind, hearts feel free. This night stays inside of me. This beachside party is our cure. Simple, honest, real and pure. Oh, with the ocean singing low, and friends who let the good times flow. When life gets heavy, we'll recall this healing night by the shore we call. Oh, 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 sound and company.
That's our kind of therapy.
Morning light on my desk, quiet room, I take a breath. One small step, one clear mind, no rush now, I've got time. Pages turning, coffee warm, thoughts aligning, slowly form. Every line, every try, I'm building more than yesterday. I don't need to run fast, I just need to last. Little progress every day, that's the way. I stay in the flow, I stay in the zone. One by one, I'm getting it done. No noise, no rush, just calm and slow. I'm right where I'm meant to go. I stay in the flow, steady and true. Learning, working, growing too. Step by step, I'm moving on. Quiet strength keeps me strong.
Lines of code or words to read. One more problem, one more seed. Focus deep, the world feels like everything will click in time.
Mistakes fade, lessons stay. I'm a little better every day. No pressure, no race to win. I trust the process I'm in. Even when my mind feels tired, I remember why I started. Slow and steady, heart aligned. Peaceful focus, clear design. I stay in the flow, I stay in the zone. Breathing in, I'm not alone. No fear, no doubt, just here and now. This is my quiet power. I stay in the flow, steady and kind. One clear task, one clear mind. Day by day, I'm moving on. Calm and focus, getting strong. One breath in, one breath out. I know what this is all about. Slow progress, long road. I'm exactly where I should go. I stay in the flow.